got no role here. The main answering respondent, my lord, is the Icds. The issue is here, my lord, the petitioner is a Anganwadi worker, and the government adopted a policy that the working women should be, my lord, engaged as supervisors to come through the PSC. Only just the PSC will hold the exam.
Due to exception?
Yes, because one from PSC and from ICDs. Here, the main answering respondent, my lord, is the ICDs. The issue is here, my lord, the petitioner is a Anganwadi worker, and the government adopted a policy that the working women should be, my lord, engaged as supervisors, but they will have to come through the PSC. Only just the PSC will hold the exam.
Due to exception?
Yes, because one from PSC and from ICDs. Now here what happened, my lord, the matter has been, my lord, sought in by the Honorable Division Bench, because here the
On the prayer of Mr. First, your name, full name.
Ghulam Mustafa.
Ghulam Mustafa, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner on the prayer of Mr. Ghulam Mustafa. আচ্ছা, কোথাও যদি কিছু অসুবিধা হয় না, আমার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে থামাবেন, যতবার খুশি জিজ্ঞেস করবেন, কিন্তু ওইভাবে যদি ইনকমপ্লিট বেরিয়ে যান আমি মুশকিলে পড়ে যাব, থামিয়ে দেবেন। On the prayer of Mr. Ghulam Mustafa, learned advocate appearing for the petitioners. Petitioner. Two exceptions in the form of affidavits. One against the report filed by respondent number 4, the other against the report filed by respondent number 2, filed in court today are taken on record. Yes.
Now, Lord, I was deprived from the chance of being appointed on the ground that I could not succeed in the examination. That is the only stand of the ICDS. Now, kindly see.
Show me the rejection.
Page 40 of the minority petition. Our case that the reservation policy was not followed. And the Honorable Division mentioned in details, but it has been discussed and held. Earlier we came, my lord, Mr. Judge, the Honorable Court was pleased to pass an order direct to
Show me your rejection.
Page 40. Four zero. And this order is, my lord, pursuant to the order passed by the Honorable Justice Lobita Banerjee as a Lordship then was. Page 33. The Honorable Court was pleased to direct the authority to consider our prayer. Now, pursuant to that order, my lord, this order has been passed. Page 40.
Yes.
The fact, the fact of the case in brief is that the writ petitioner is employed as Anganwadi workers under ICDS project, Purba Mendapur district. She had appeared for the written test conducted by the PSC West Bengal on 30th and 31st January 2021 for recruitment of ICDS supervisors by promotion from the eligible Anganwadi workers, female candidates. All are female. A list of the candidates called for the biopsy on the basis of the said written test was published by the PSC West Bengal. On finding that her name was not included in the said list, the petitioner had applied to the PSC West Bengal under RTI Act, for her answer scripts along with model answers. It was affirmed by the petitioner that PSC West Bengal did not provide the required information to her. She had submitted a representation director on April 12th.
What information?
No information was given.
What was the information you required?
Because I was made unsuccessful. The query was how I was made unsuccessful. What number I got? That was the query. The matter was disposed of by the Honorable High Court by giving the following direction inter alia. Then, my lord, the direction for consideration.
1 second. The petitioner was
informed that the examination for recruitment of ICDS supervisors through promotion from the eligible WW means, my lord, Anganwadi workers had been conducted by the PSC West Bengal and the application of results and providing any information in relation to this matter was the prerogative of the PSC West Bengal. Answer scripts of the written test were kept in the custody of PSC West Bengal. The list of candidates called for the Bhaibabusi had been published by the PSC West Bengal. The petitioner was informed that all such matters relating to the recruitment of ICDS matters were dealt with by the PSC West Bengal and were beyond the administrative jurisdiction of the director of ICDS. The petitioner also informed that the possession of requisite qualification and 10 years service as Congon did not entitle any such candidates for promotion because the entitlement to promotion was subject to the mandatory requirement of qualifying for the post of supervisor through recruitment examination conducted by the PSU West Bengal. Petitioner was at liberty to approach PSU West Bengal for any clarification regarding this issue. Matter was disposed of. Now, my lord, kindly see, there was a poll in our my lord, in our exception.
First, what do they say in your report?
In the report, there's the report of the PSC is not negligible because they are saying that we have nothing to do. Everything should be done by the PSC, sorry, ICDS. Now,
And ICDS says it is for PSC.
PSC. That is communication between them. But our main grievance is that I am eligible. I have completed, well, I am highly qualified, MS, MA, and
Those are immaterial. How have you performed in the examination?
but that has not been communicated, and the reservation policy was not followed. My lord, kindly look at page 8 of the exception. In our exception.
No.
If that would have been followed, I would have been automatic selected.
Have you applied as a reserved category?
Yes. Yes. Kindly and division.
Wait, let me hear them.
Kindly see the division bench order. Yes, sir. Oh, but in details it has been examined and my lord held in our favor, in favor of the candidates.
Hey, Rajiv.
My lord, please go through the prayer portion of the writ application, my lord. There is no reservation, nothing mentioned about the reservation by the petitioner, my lord.
Have they applied as a reserved candidate for the reserved post?
No, my lord.
Yes,
It is not in my knowledge. Even they have, the petitioner did not give the documents of reservation. We finally.
And we are from the working in service candidates. In service candidates, for in service candidates, there was reservation policy of the central government and West.
My lord, reservation policy might be there, but petitioner has to file the application as a reserved candidate where he has filed.
I applied as an in service candidate, that is reserved category. My lord, page 8 and page 7 and 8 would clarify the position. And division bench had taken note of that. যেটা গভর্নমেন্টের ICDS ওনার সুবিধা হবে।
প্যানেলে কত নম্বরের নাম?
আপনারাই তো বলছেন।
আপনার কাছে নেই রিপোর্ট?
না।
আমি তো দিয়েছি আপনাকে। আমি দিয়েছি তো। কত নম্বরে আছে?
আমাদের যে লিস্টটা নেই এখন। As for the vacancies, they have not completed. As for the numbers of vacancies, they have not completed. They have not recommended. April to 12th April.
Yes.
So, my lord, I applied as an in-service candidate from female category. My lord, kindly look at they have given an exception where they have said that I was not eligible. But my lord, if the reservation policy followed by as issued by the central government would have been followed, then I would have come within the zone of consideration.
This 75% is to 25%.
Yes. Page 8, kindly see, my lord, we have annexed two documents. Page 8 of the in our, my lord, exception.
Date of your
Page 8.
exception.
My lord, may I read out?
Wait. Exception to which?
Exception to, my lord, against the director, 2. Exception against the report filed by the director of ICDS.
What is this document?
Page 8. Now, this is the central government because the Anganwadi scheme is, my lord, financed by the central government.
No, financed by central government is fine.
But
you have governed by your own state scheme.
Scheme.
Your state scheme.
Now,
it has financed by central government, no problem. But what does your own state scheme say?
Scheme, my lord, kindly see. That is the division bench, my lord, has clarified. I am directed in your lordship, page 8, my lord. Enlistment of eligible.
Where?
Page 8.
Yes, enlistment of eligible Anganwadi worker.
And case workers for recruitment of supervisors under ICDS on promotion of by selection. I am asking for promotion. I am directed to inform you that 55th meeting of the cabinet held on February 21, 2019 as approved abide such and such recruitment rule for the post of supervisors under ICDS, filling up of vacancies of 3,377 posts of supervisors on the newly framed recruitment rule, copy and closed, of which 422 numbers will be filled up by promotion by selection from Anganwadi workers under ICDS and case workers under controller of vacancy. The remaining 2,954 posts will be filled up by the direct recruitment through a selection process conducted by the Public Service Commission, West Bengal. Now, I am directed to request you to make necessary arrangement for such and such eligible for promotion for sponsoring the candidate Public Service Commission. The guideline of such they have, my lord, provided. Then, page 9, it is to be ensured that utmost care is taken so that no eligible candidate is left out and entire process of enlistment.
So, how this scheme is material?
Material because this is the state government followed contrary to the guideline given by the central government, page 7. Central government provided, my lord, percentage in a manner. The state government provided percentage.
Where is the central government percentage?
Page 7.
Central government percentage.
7, page 7.
Yes.
Yeah. All secretaries relating to ICDS, recruitment under ICDS scheme regarding as you are
recruitment of supervisors. Answer, this is recruitment. This is not for by promotion.
Yes, it has been discussed, man. It has been under ICDS. You are aware the Anganwadi workers are the most important functionary at the village level under ICDS scheme. Recent years have witnessed not only an exceptional increase in the Anganwadi centers workers, but also significant special efforts aimed at ensuring quality in delivery of services and community participation. According to the responsible Anganwadi workers, has increased tremendously, and she is now required to perform multiple tasks ranging from delivery of vital services involving community, women's group, Mohila mandals, and for ensuring the effective convergence of various sectoral services. In the broad framework of implementation of recruitment ICD approved by the cabinet with the resurrecting and re-strengthening of ICDS, the following provisions for rationalization of appointment of Anganwadi supervisors have been made. 25% post of supervisors reserved for Anganwadi workers should be filed by the method of induction under the ICDS mission subject to fulfillment of desired educational qualification and age criteria. Additional provision for filing 25% vacant posts from Anganwadi based on their merit and track record of service and additional qualification would also be made. These are for service candidates. The above position has been reviewed keeping in view of the aspirations of these field functionaries to encourage their participation in the higher post vis-a-vis their merit and improve their career prospects. The following guidelines on promotion, the following guidelines on promotion and appointment of Anganwadi workers to the post of supervisors in supersession of earlier guidelines are conveyed to the state union territories for compliance. The 50% of the vacancies in the post of supervisors, well, this is important. 50% of the vacancies in the post of supervisors should be filled up by promotion from amongst Anganwadi workers with 10 years of experience as Anganwadi workers and having the prescribed educational qualifications as per the recruitment rules for the post of supervisors, failing which the vacancies would be filled up by the direct
So
recruitment.
how is it material? How is
Because
it important?
the state government, when took up the scheme for filling up the vacancies, this was not followed. That's why the
Where is the directive upon the state government to follow? This is a union scheme.
no,
This is a scheme of
but
the
it
Union
has been,
of
it
India.
has been communicated to all the states.
Where? Show me
Yes, I was reading, my lord.
that it will operate on the all
All
the states.
Yes, yes. Just, my lord, I was reading. As you are Anganwadi Shasan, increase vital. Just, my lord, state and UT. Yes, paragraph 3.
Yes.
The above position has been reviewed, keeping in view the aspirations of these field functionaries to encourage their participation in the higher post vis-a-vis their merit and to improve their career prospects. The following guidelines on promotion and appointment of Anganwadi workers to the post of supersession of guidelines as conveyed to the states and UTs for compliance, states and union territories.
Are conveyed to the states where it is said that it is binding.
That conveyed, but that has to be followed, and that was not followed.
Show me that something, then it has to be followed. Show me.
That's why the Honorable Division Bench held that this should be followed.
Yes, madam, what is your
Lordship, kindly see my report, page 3. I've stated that PSC has report by respondent number
4.
4. Sorry, 4.
Yes.
Public Service Commission has no role in ascertaining the ratio between direct recruitment and promotion. The direct recruitment examination, that advertisement is being published by the Public Service Commission, and the
Your client.
yes, and the advertisement regarding the ICDS supervisor female, Anganwadi and case workers are being published by the ICDS.
By the state.
Yes, in paragraph 6, I have stated Public Service Commission did not publish any advertisement regarding ICDS. Paragraph 6, page 3. Kindly see from paragraph 5. Page 3, paragraph 5.
Yes. That I deny.
I say that the Public Service Commission has no.
Wait.
Well, this is report filed by the respondent number 4.
4.
Mohua Banerjee. I, Mohua Banerjee.
Chairman has filed the report. In this matter, the main grievance of the petitioner is that order dated 20th September 2013, passed by the ICDS, is contravention of the guideline dated 15 September 2015, issued by the Director ICDS. So the contention of the PSC is that PSC has no scope to ascertain the ratio of direct recruitment. Lashmi has got page 3.
Paragraph
5. I say that the Public Service Commission has no scope to ascertain the ratio of direct recruitment and promotion in respect of the reported vacancies, as the concerned department, as a matter of practice, did not inform the cadre strength in post of supervisor of ICDS working under the department. The concerned department has indicated vacancies to be filled up on the basis of recruitment examination, which has no analogy with the cadre strength. Next paragraph, Public Service Commission did not publish any advertisement regarding ICDS supervisor female only for Anganwadi workers and case workers, that is for recruitment for promotion. The said notification contains the rules regulating the recruitment to the post of supervisor of Integrated Child Development Service Scheme under the Department of Women and Child Development and Social Welfare, Government of West Bengal. The said advertisement was published by the concerned department, that is ICDS. Now, Lordship, I have category-wise stated what is this direct recruitment and advertisement for promotion. As per the advertisement number so and so, examination will be held in 3 parts. This is direct recruitment. Part 1, preliminary written examination, viva voce. But for the promotional cases, that is the case here in this matter, Examination was held in two parts, written examination, viva voce. I further state that the advertisement regarding ICDS supervisor examination, that is recruitment by promotion, was published by the Department of ICDS. The application form of the applicant were only received by the Public Service Commission through department. The allotment of vacancy and vacancies for recruitment examination is the prerogative of the concerned department. The commission only performs the duty of conducting the recruitment examination and recommending the suitable candidates on the basis of their merit. The Public Service Commission is not the appointing authority, rather the recommending authority. Commission has conducted the selection procedure of this ICDS female Anganwadi workers on the basis of numbers of vacancy, that is 422, mentioned in a memo dated 27th February 2018, which I have annexed here in page number 6, Lordship. Page 6 of my report. Here by this requisition, the reserved quota for filling of 2954 number post supervisor by direct recruitment and 422 numbers post of supervisor by promotion, it has been sent by the ICDS itself. Now, Lordship, PSC has published the recommendation list as per the vacancies reported by the concerned department on 12th April 2024.
So you are really not the answering respondent.
No, Lordship.
It is them who
Yes,
has to-
yes.
All right.
My lord, please
I'm
come.
coming within 10 minutes.
Welcome.